glad to help out, fellas. I hope this won't take too long. My wife's gonna come down.
You must be new to Redbud.
Just moved up from New York.
How do you like it so far?
Oh, it's lovely. No, that's not true. It's just awful. Everything just seems to be going wrong. Bugs, snakes, dead bodies.
Oh, dear.
We had such high hopes.
Of course you did. Of course you did. Everything will work out. You'll see. Why don't we sit down here and I'll make us a nice cold pitcher of iced tea.
No, really, I don't want to trouble you.
Nonsense. Now you sit down here and I'll be right back. Ah! What is it? He won't hurt you, dear. He's stuffed.
He just startled me, that's all.
I'll take him away.
No. No, I'm all right now.
I'll be right back.
I'm sorry.
What happened?
I hooked him in the neck. No, don't pull on it. You'll rip his damn veins out.
He'll bleed to death.
Take it easy, Brock. You're just making it worse. Let me see it.
Stay away from me.
We gotta get the hooks out. Hold still.
Get away!
You got to hold still, Brock.
Get away from me!
I gotta knock him out.
What?
Nah,
Only way to get the hooks out. Sorry, Brock. It's for your own good.
Oh, you scut-cat hound. Ow! Jesus, you bastard!
It's not working. You're not knocking him out. You're only beating the piss out
You
of him.
sons of bitches!
Hold still.
Sure is tough.
Somebody else
Get
take a
away.
swing.
I
Get
only
away.
hooked him in the neck. I'm not trying to kill him.
Please help me pull his hands away from him.
No way.
Hey, I got a strike.
Kill you for this!
I'm sorry, Brock. It's for your own good. Oh, Jesus, fellas, I'm sorry.
Oh, it's cold.
Hey, look! It fell out!
No need to thank me. Grab him. I was only trying to help.
He's mine.
You come together, I'll be ready. I don't work. I don't sleep. Ah!